Oh my god, it's legit 12 p.m. at night, and I just used 300 euros on Brandy Melville. Oh my god. Okay guys, I finally got my package from Brandy. It's long awaited. It's small, but I ordered a lot of clothes. But it's packed. It's packed. They were actually really quick because I ordered it on Friday and on Tuesday it was at my house. Crazy. Okay. Ooh, the big reveal. Let me start. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah! Okay, let's unbox. God, look at this. It's packed. I got pins. I usually never get pins because I never order for that much money. And stickers. Ah, how cute. This is going to go straight on my laptop. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Easy ramen. Pins. I can show you each one. Oh my god, I love Brandy. The girl or the boy that packed this order. I love you so much. My god. Oh shit. First we can start with this one. This is so cute. I was either going for this one or the one with puffy shoulders, but I went for this one, and it has like tying in the back. It's so cute. And then we have this top. I think it's called Odette top. Also has tying in the back. Super cute. I didn't only order tops. I ordered suit pants, dress pants. I don't know. I think it's called suit pants. But my friend has these ones, and I tried it, and it's so pretty. Let's see, but this is the dress pants. They are striped with gray and I think white. This next top I'm gonna show you, I have had my eyes on for so long, but I have never made a move because for first it's sold out in Brandy Melville Oslo. It's always sold out. Because it's always sold out, I had to order both the suit pants and this gorgeous top, also with tying in the back. You know, I love tying in the back. But my friend has this one and I tried it out once, fell in love. So I'm so excited for this one. I'm not even joking with you. This top, it's everything I've dreamed of in my whole life in a party top. Look at that fucking back, so pretty. And the front, perfect cutout. No joke, I'm wearing this on Saturday. I'm wearing this on fucking Saturday. We have this t-shirt, a basic, striped, black and white. Or is it blue? Maybe it's blue and white. But I love the cutout on the t-shirts on Brandy, and the length and the size is just perfect. It's so flattering on the body. So I love this one. Look how flattering that is for girls with flatter chest. So pretty. Behind too. This t-shirt I'm gonna show you right now. It's the cutest t-shirt I've ever seen in my life. I think this is a new, like, newest in Brandy right now. And It's sold out in Oslo too. And it's this cute ass t-shirt with these cartoons on with the two little cats. It's so cute. And in general, the basics, the t-shirt in Brandy is so like flattering. So this is so cute.
Oh my god.
This is my favorite t-shirt of all time. Of all time. Look. Oh my god. And it's so flattering onto, like, it's a win-win. I bought a lot of summer tops, like thinking ahead, making the vision board for the summer. So I bought this tank top in navy with like this material around. It's so cute. And this was not that expensive. I think it was 18 euros. I think that's a great price. And this is the back. Oh my god. And this top. My god. I think this is new in too. And it's blue with white stripes. Perfect for summer. Very like Scandi summer. It's so cute. My god. With the buttons. And the neckline. Sorry. How cute. Isn't this button up? My god. Ooh. I love this one. And such a nice color too. Very classy. And guess what? Another tank top. This one is in red. And this one does not have tying in the back, but has bow ties. So yeah, love. Ooh, so cute top. My god. Okay, lastly, this is the last item. And it's yet another tank top. This one is, you know, you get the memo here. I like stripes. I like blue, I like red, I like white. I like bows. This one is a mix of all stripes, bows, and tie in the back. Oh, this one is so pretty. Oh my god. This top is like perfect for the summer. The tying in the back is everything. It's so good for a summer top. Like, ooh. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this Brandy haul. That was 328 euros worth of clothes. Yeah. And maybe I start tweaking again at 12 at night and order a bunch of clothes. Then you get a part 2. But for now, I think this will do for the summer. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.